Hello everybody, we have really exciting news. You know we love Butcher Box, right? Well, first let me say, do you know what tomorrow is? I don't think you know.
No.
It's Mommy and Daddy's
Anniversary.
wedding. It's our anniversary. Do you know how many years we've been married?
I don't know. 21?
19 years.
Oh, 19.
We met 21 years ago.
Oh.
But we've been married for 19 years now. And so what we're gonna do is something a little fun. We are going to make bacon roses just because it's super cute. I'm gonna do a carnivore cake for my birthday and I wanna put some bacon roses around it.
Yep.
And so if you wanna make bacon roses, I'm gonna show you how to do it. But I'm super picky about bacon. We always get I should hold it the right way, huh? Peterson Farms bacon because it's the only one I haven't found without sugar. And it's nice and thin so it rolls easy to make roses, okay?
Yeah.
And when these came, you're like, why did you get these ugly roses, right? These like really fake looking roses. Well, it's because I took the roses off and I'm gonna use them. It was like $10 on Amazon, these fake silk roses. And so what you're gonna do is
They're made out of paper.
They are made out of paper, and we're gonna use this because I don't wanna heat up the house. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some bacon, and you need some toothpicks, and you need some sort of oven, right? So I'm gonna roll these up, and just like a jelly roll, you start at the thin area, and if you're really fancy, you could have it overlap a little bit so you get more of this rose shape. These are my finished ones, and they have like a nice rose shape on the top. Ooh, we're gonna have to save that bacon grease to make some bacon mayo. Oh boy. And I'm gonna actually do 2 pieces of bacon per rose so I get some nice big roses because that's just such a nice bouquet. And since I'm not getting flowers, I'm gonna make nice bacon roses. So now I have 2 bacon roll-ups, all right?
Yep.
And then I'm gonna grab
I'm gonna put it in.
toothpicks. You're gonna put some toothpicks in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right through that, perfect. Wow. I can't believe you touched the bacon. This one does not like bacon.
Uh-oh.
Come on, buddy, put it in there.
I have a bad feeling.
You have a bad feeling about this? So then you just have like a tea of your toothpicks, and then I'm gonna set it right down onto my pan. And if you don't want it to stick, you can put some parchment paper on there. And I'm gonna turn my oven to 375. If you're using the thin Peterson Farms bacon, it's gonna be anywhere from like 30 to 35 minutes. If you use a thicker cut bacon, it's gonna be 35 to 45 minutes. And you just wanna watch it closely. And so that's as easy as it is. You do that, you pop it in the oven, and then after about 35, 40 minutes, you get these beautiful roses.
Mom, I thought you said the pans are hot.
Well, it's not so hot anymore. I'm gonna take the toothpicks out, and then Craig found some wire for me. Let's see, let's grab one of these. We have a wire sticking through that, and then all you have to do is stick your bacon rose right in there, and I'm gonna do that 12 times so I have a dozen beautiful roses.
There's bacon grease on me.
What should we do for the anniversary? Should we go to dinner tonight? Sure? Yeah? All right.
Yeah, sure.
Well, we hope you have a great Saturday and Sunday, everybody. We'll check you next week. Bye.
Bye. Bye.